Year 2025 is about to end, and what a splendid year it was for silver. Starting from the lows at $22 levels, we have seen it moving towards 35, yielding more than 55% returns here. Now prices have retraced and it has come towards the support zone at $30 levels. What to expect here from silver in the year 2025? Should you stay invested? Can we expect another round of run, taking it above $40 levels, or the prices have exhausted and we are looking forward to a reversal here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the year 2025? Should we stay invested for long run profits, or it is high time for us to book the profits and just stay with the shorts? And if it is going to drop, what are the lows we will expect? So this is all we will see with the help of charts and indicators, and also we will try to find out how to profit in the coming week trading silver and in the month of January as well. So all the time frames we're gonna look and we'll arrive at the levels. This is a long-term review. I do share my daily updates for silver. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do watch the forecast for 2024. I have mentioned very clearly that we are looking forward to 28-30, the first target zone, and in fact 34 is also possible. What it has done is a history here. So now let's see how to profit in the year 2024. When you look for silver on the monthly chart since last 3 to 4 years, you can find out the rise, the retracement, and this is an expanding triangle. See the highs and the lows here, the rise and the retracement. Now if the more time it spends here in around these levels, the lows are going to be towards 25 $26 levels, and that is the level I would like to see silver breaking below, because once it breaches $25 levels is the point of time you can say we are looking forward to a greater correction. Now yes, this zone at 25 26 is very much achievable in the year 2025. Very clear. Now the next way to look at the charts here is look at the formation here in silver. First of all, we had seen a greater stronger rise here, and then it has retraced, it has stayed here in this zone for a while, then the first round of rise, and now it is consolidated for years in this zone between 20 to $30 levels, and it has given a breakout. So it is not that it cannot rise further, because when you see the rise here, it is almost coming half the way from the preceding rise. So it is also possible that silver can break beyond 35 here. Why? See, if you look at the move, rise retracement, and as long as it now respects this zone here at around 28 26 levels and then 25, as long as it stays above 25, the chances of reversal will be high. Also notice on the monthly charts, what it is doing is it is forming a nice flag. After this rise, it is forming a nice flag. So in the first 3 months for 2025 are going to remain crucial, because see what's happening right now is it double two green candles, then red candle, and now if it can start to bounce back, it can trade above 35 is possible, because right now I can see a bit of support coming in for silver at around 28 levels. And now once it trades below 28, that is the point of time we can expect 27 26 50 at the first, 26 at the next, and in fact $25 levels. That is a point of time you can confirm that now the prices have reversed, else it is under retracement, not a reversal. The bigger the rise, the bigger the retracement. The support levels at around 25 26 are very strong. When you see the moving averages, these are trading with divergence, staying bullish. The prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period and the median of the Bollinger Bands. So this makes first 28 as a good support, then 27.20, then 26.50 and 26. Very good support here, and then ultimately the $25 levels will appear, which is going to act as a stronger support zone. If you divide this into two, if you look at the movement rise retracement, now divide this into two, rise, and this is possible that it could retrace. And in fact, if this act as a symmetry here, in fact we are looking forward to the lows here. Be mindful of this. If this acts as a symmetry, if this acts as a median, and if you see silver trading below 25 first and then 22, you can expect silver to move towards 20, that is the first support level, and then in fact 18 levels can be seen here. Yes, if it breaks below 22 any point of time in the year 2025, we can expect a greater decline where in fact 20 or lower levels are possible. But right now it is not the case. Right now it appears that see first rise, then consolidation and retracement, second rise, then consolidation and retracement. So it might try to refrain itself within this channel here till towards 25, 26, or this zone completely between 25, 26, or in fact let's include 27 as well. Very, very good support will be seen here. This could be the second wave from where the third wave could initiate. Now, yes, the important thing here is this, that the MACD, which was trading with divergence, it has started to converge. It has traded with good divergence. And if at all it crosses over after forming the second lowest, it is possible that for next few months it may trade in this fashion before taking it up. And thus, at least till the H1 of year 2025, we have to be a bit cautious, and we know the support levels here. First it need to break below 28, then towards 26.5, 26, and then towards 25. If these levels are taken, certainly we are looking forward to a greater correction. The RSI is also looking downward. Now let's talk about the Fibonacci levels here from the lows what we had seen in the year 2022, and you can say that the first support levels at around 28.20, the 50% retracement at around 26.20 makes it a very good support. And you can see now the distance, these are almost equidistant here, 28, 26, and then 24. So 25 is not here, but 25, when you look at the candles, 25 is a good support zone as well. And then you can see 24, 17 levels. So yes, these are going to remain the support levels. If at all silver starts to move here on the downside, I will definitely watch out specifically at 26.20, that is the 50% retracement levels. Now yes, these levels are possible, and at that point we will see how it behaves at around this zone 24, 26. So again, with the help of the Fibonacci also, it is confirmed that there could be a possible retracement, and also it is confirmed that the support levels at around 25, 26 are going to be very critical. Now look at the weekly charts. What has happened on the weekly charts? Preceding candle was a pullback candle. We have seen it hitting the highs at 32.50, and we have seen it reversing. And the last candle, last week's candle was a breakout here. Yes, it has come out of this support zone, though I can see a bit of higher lows. But yes, it has breached below the critical support at 28.80, 29.80 levels, and in fact it is moved towards 28.80 levels. So yes, the support zone in between 29.80 and 28.80 is something you should watch out for, at least for the coming week. If we see silver trading below 28.80 levels, you can expect a greater decline, where in fact we can see 27.80 as the next target zone. Now 27.80, 27.40 is something you should watch out for. Below this, we are looking forward to a greater down move towards 26.20 levels, and this is possible that it can do this in a very quick move here. Now when you also notice on the indicators part, you will find that silver has just kissed the 50 period moving average, which is also sitting at 28.80. Now the moving averages on the weekly charts have been trading bullish since last couple of years. In fact, I will say since then we have seen a greater divergence here. So time for it to converge. If you see it is staying below 28.80, certainly more bearishness should prevail. Now interesting thing is, on the weekly chart, silver is almost dropped towards the bottom, and these are the levels from where you can see a reversal to begin in silver. But when you look at the MACD, see this is still trading with divergence, increasing body size, divergent here suggests that there could be more bearishness to prevail, and this also hints at the possible retracement if it trades first below 28.80, 28.40 zone, then 27.80, 27.40 zone. Very good support there. And if this is taken, I will be looking forward to 26.20. Be mindful of this. Yes, it has shown a twin peak, it is looking downwards. I'm just cautious of this, that it does not, because see slope here and here, this is a vertical down move here, so it appears aggressive bearishness here in silver. RSI has dropped. Now coming to the daily charts, what has happened on the daily charts? Notice this, the moving averages have crossed over here. Now we have seen the 20 and 100 period crossover. Now 20 and 100 period crossover, we have hardly seen any point of time since last few weeks and months, and thus this is very crucial on the daily charts. Now also look at the move here, it is vertically down. It means now for the next few candles prices might retrace like this, and wait for the moving averages to come down. It is very critical for the silver to trade now again about 29.80 and $30 zone. That is the first resistance zone. We are talking on the daily charts. It means we are looking at the next few weeks and the next week as well. So first thing is it has to break below beyond 29.80 $30 levels, and then specifically beyond 30.60. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a retracement or a reversal in silver prices. Notice how it behaves: drop, retracement, drop. It could retrace towards where? Retrace towards 31 here again. Also notice it is trading in this channel here. The lows here are towards 28 levels here. Very, very good support prevailing there. So I will say, if you see it is staying below 28.80, wait for 28.40, then 28, then 27.80, and then 27.40 level should be seen as the next target. So these are the support levels on the downside which you should watch out for. But notice that on the daily charts, stochastic is in oversold zone, and whenever you see silver hitting the oversold levels on the daily charts, it posts a little recovery. And thus in the coming week, it is possible that silver might try to move towards 30, 40, 30, 50 levels, and at that point we will see how it behaves. The MACD has crossed over. It is trading with divergence. It is trading bearish, looking downwards. And when you look at the RSI, this is also hit the bottom. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and a strategy. And before I provide you the levels and a strategy for coming week, the next month, and the year 2025, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SWIFT free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first thing is where you should buy in the coming week. I will recommend you to buy at 29.75. If you see silver trading about 29.75.80, you can buy for 30. And if 30 is taken, 30.25, 30.50. Now once 30.50, 30.60 is taken, this is the point of time when you can say that the bulls are back. We can look forward to 31, then 31.45, and if 31.45 is taken, wait for 31.85, 32.20. If this is taken, I will be looking forward to 32.80, 33.20, or rather I will say 33.28, and then beyond this 34. If 34 is taken any point of time in the year 2025, if 34 is taken any point of time in the year 2025, wait for first 35. Ideally, I will be looking forward to 36 here. Yes, once it trades beyond 34, ideally I'll be looking forward to 36. And if 36 is taken, chances will be very, very high that 37.5, 39.2 and $40 levels can also be seen. But I still am skeptical of such a strong rise and a reversal in silver prices. Be careful about the rise here. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 29.20 levels. Very good support here now. And below this 29 should be there. Now see, this is specifically for the near term. These are very, very close levels. Then 28.75. If 28.75 is taken, wait for 28.40, 50 zone. Very, very good support here. And if this is taken, then 28. Now below 28 and 27.80 is where more bearishness to prevail. You can look forward to 27.35, 27, 26.2, 25, and then 24. Now 24.20 levels are achievable in the year 2025. This is at least, now this zone is definitely going to be a critical support zone here on the downside, 26.2, 27. And if this are taken, certainly we can look forward to another round of good drop, taking it till towards 24.20. Below 24.20, ideally the next targets are towards $22 levels and then $20 levels. This is going to be difficult for silver to erase or drop such sharp. I think it is going to be difficult for it to stay, in fact, below 25, 24 levels, which should be a greater support here. So I will say for the year 2025, we have to be a bit cautious here. specifically silver, when you compare to other metals, specifically gold, I can say silver has still little less downside available. But yes, once it breaks below 22, that is the point of time you can say now the bears are back. What I expect it to achieve in the 2025 is at least 24 25 levels, which might get achieved, and at those levels there is a possibility of a recovery. And if you see it recovering from the 26.5 27 zone, you can say it is respecting the bullish channel, and then possibility of higher highs are possible. So first support zone at around 26.5 levels, and then towards 25 24. These two support zones are going to be critical on the downside, below which you can say strong bearish momentum to follow, and below 22 it is a crash which can be expected in the next few months. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Do be careful with your long term investment, keep an eye on the daily trades, and yes, do ensure that at the right time you take an exit and you can enter again. See, you once you have the capital, you can enter any point of time, keep booking profits, keep re-entering. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join the free telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead, and a prosperous and profitable year 2025. Thank you.